Hello everyone. Today we discuss about biomolecules chapter. Now biomolecules living system is that which is composed of non-living atoms and molecules but has ability to grow, sustain and reproduce itself. Various chemical changes which take place in living system fall in the domains of biochemistry. Complex organic compounds which make living matter and responsible for the growth and maintenance of living organisms are called biomolecules like carbohydrate, proteins, nucleic acid, lipid. Carbohydrates, these were originally defined as compound of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen with later two elements in the ratio 2:1, that is hydrate of carbon are called carbohydrates. General formula CN in bracket H2O Y glucose C6H12O6 C6H2O6 Y here 6 fructose C6H12O6 C6H2O6 sucrose C12H22O11 C12H2O11. However, the word carbohydrate is the misnomer pseudo as some members don't obey above definitions. For example, rhamnose C6H12O5, rhamnoheptose C7H14O6, methanol HCHO, lactic acid C3H6O2. These obey the general formula but are not carbohydrate. Modern definitions: carbohydrates are optically active polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones or the compounds which give these on the hydrolysis. Remember that the OH group should remain on different C atoms. CHO, CHOH, CH2OH, polyhydroxyaldehyde, CH2OH, C double bond O, CHOH, CH2OH, polyhydroxyketone, carbohydrate. CHO, CHOH, CHOH, CH2OH, a carbohydrate. CH2OH, OH, CHO, CH2OH, not carbohydrate. CHO, CHOH, COH, OH, CH2OH, not a carbohydrate. CHO, CH2, CHOH, CHOH, CH2OH, not a carbohydrate. Carbohydrates, most of them have general formula CnH2OY and were considered as hydrates of carbon, from where the name carbohydrate was derived. Some common examples of carbohydrates are cane sugar, glucose, starch. Some of the carbohydrates which are sweet in taste are also called sugar. The most common sugar used in our home is named as sucrose, sucrose, whereas the sugar present in milk is known as whereas the sugar present in milk is known as lactose. Carbohydrates carbohydrates are also called saccharides. Greek saccharon means sugar. Classifications on the basis of their behavior on hydrolysis: carbohydrates, monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides. Monosaccharides cannot be hydrolyzed further. CH2O N where N 3 to 7. Example: glucose, fructose, ribose, etc. Oligosaccharides yield 2 to 10 monosaccharides on the hydrolysis. C6H10O5N where N 2 to 10 sucrose, maltose. Polysaccharides yield large number of monosaccharides on hydrolysis. C6H10O5N where N 100 to 3000 starch. Nomenclature: these compounds have a suffix "ose". Number of C atom is indicated by tri, tetra, penta, etc. Example: tetrose, pentose. Name should indicate whether it has aldehydic or ketonic group. This is done as aldose if CHO is present, ketose C double bond O, CHO, CHOH, CH2OH, aldotriose, CHO, CHOH, 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 CH2OH, aldopentose, CH2OH, C double bond O, CHOH, CHOH, CH2OH, ketopentose. Classifications on the basis of hydrolysis: monosaccharides, they are the simple carbohydrates and don't hydrolyzed. Glucose, fructose, ribose. About 20 monosaccharides are known to occur in nature. CH2ON where N is 3 to 7. Oligosaccharides, they get hydrolyzed and give 2 to 10 monosaccharide molecules. They are further classified: C6H10O5N where N 2 to 10. Disaccharide, they on hydrolysis give 2 unit of monosaccharides: sucrose, maltose, and lactose. Sucrose plus H2O, H plus, glucose plus fructose, maltose plus H2O, H plus 2 glucose. Trisaccharides, polysaccharides, they on hydrolysis give large number of monosaccharides molecules. For example, starch, cellulose, gum. Their molecular formula in same, that is C6H10O5N where N is 100 to 3000. C6H10O5N plus XH2O N C6H12O6 glucose. Classifications on the basis of physical properties. Sugar, they are colorless, crystalline, solid, sweet in taste, soluble in water, and have sharp have sharp melting point. Non-sugars, they are colorless, tasteless, amorphous, solid, sparingly soluble in water, and no sharp melting points. Monosaccharides, the oligosaccharides, sugar, polysaccharides, non-sugar.